The Tomtoc 360 laptop case offers exceptional protection with its military-grade design, ensuring your device remains safe from drops and bumps thanks to its innovative CornerArmor technology. This laptop case is designed for convenience with a smart storage system featuring multiple pockets for organizing accessories and a hidden pocket for secure storage of personal items. High-quality materials such as YKK zippers and water-resistant recycled fabrics ensure durability and environmental friendliness, while the soft fleece lining provides additional protection for your laptop. The minimalist design of the Tomtoc 360 laptop case is both practical and stylish, making it easy to carry or pack in a larger bag for business, school, or travel. With a 12-month warranty and excellent customer support, this case is compatible with a range of devices, including the 14-inch MacBook Pro and 13-inch iPad Pro Air. The slim and lightweight construction of this laptop case does not compromise on protection, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient way to carry their device.